Hello everyone and welcome to hedge4.ai. It's our website and it's a DeFi project that will make me and my team a few $1,000,000. So my thing is like this. I want to make my first $1,000,000 very soon, and I'm giving you the idea on how to do it. This is a short video that explains how to do it in less than 4 months. All right. So again, $1,000,000 that it's minimum that I'm hunting. So it's simple. Follow our journey, and the question is, will I make it or I won't? But I'm telling you, we will make it. I will make it. Okay. So let's start with the start. First of all, think of a token that you want to issue. Okay. So the plan is simple. In Cryptoverse, in DeFi space, decentralized finances, there is money for everybody. That's why I'm making this video from my heart. It's simple. You can do it. You can make $1,000,000 with less than $3,000 start. So you're starting with $3,000 and you need 2 nerds minimum, 2 nerds to be in your team, because somehow it helps for coding and marketing. Okay, so gather 2 friends. So start this type of project. There is room, there is money for everybody in Cryptoverse. Okay, so have a look. First thing first, think of a token. Our token, we decided to issue 1 billion. So it's important to know the number, how many you want to issue. Okay, so we did this hedge4, the name hedge4.ai, hedge4 artificial intelligence. Okay, and the symbol was and it is HEDJ. Okay, so you gotta know the number, the total tokens that you want to issue. You want to deploy like we did. You can do a different number. So we did 1 billion. The name is hedge4.ai and the symbol is HEDJ. Think of that. Go on Fiverr. Remember, Fiverr.com. Do these steps. Fiverr.com and write in there ERC20. ERC20. It's an Ethereum-based token. It's a coin based on Ethereum. But you can do 2 coins, 2 different coins, and I suggest do one ERC20 and then do one on Binance Smart Chain, which is called BEP20. Okay, so go on Fiverr, go here BEP20, and these guys, there are a lot of freelancers, they will create your either ERC20 or BEP20, your token. You give them instructions about how many to issue, how many to deploy, right? The name and the ticker symbol. They will do it. They will transfer you all the contract and like the the codes, the contract, and you'll have it and you start from there. Okay, now it's the next step and you go in here. Okay, go on YouTube and you'll find a lot of other guys, but I'm suggesting Santrel Media. Okay, write it in here, Santrel Media, and you'll find a title called How to Build a Website in 20 Minutes. This is a full tutorial how to do it. So go on GoDaddy, buy the name of the website, connect it to your token. Okay, so just like us, we did hedge4.ai. So the domain name, we bought it actually not on we bought it on GoDaddy or on Namecheap. You can find it in some of them, or even HostGator. Okay, so buy it, buy the domain, buy the hosting, secure the thingy, the website, but go and find out in 20 minutes. You will have your website set up, most of it, but you have to wait about 1 day for the website to be set on the hosting. Okay, so this is one step. Then, okay, go in here and remember, your project is about DeFi. All right, that's my suggestion. You can do a different thing, but DeFi is very hot these days. It will bring you millions. Again, you can make it. You can make your first million in decentralized finances in crypto. Okay, so go again, Fiverr.com. Go in there and write ICO white paper for $50, $40, $20. There are a lot of freelancers which will write you an interesting DeFi white paper, a nice presentation. Put it on your website. Okay, I'm telling you, you have, after that, you have to build your community. Okay, just to give you an example, our community today, it's 7,739 people that we have today, okay? And we are building it. On the 8th of March, we will start trading our coin either like in few swaps, maybe 2 swaps and 2 or 3 exchanges, okay? So till then, we are still building the community. Again, we have 7,739 users and the numbers are growing. Okay, just to tell you, I'll ask you kindly, do not leave any comments on this video on YouTube, because we don't have time to look at them and it's kind of embarrassing not to answer to your questions. My suggestion is to go here on Telegram. It's t.me/hedge4. Okay, we have 1,428 members, active members, and look, 352 are online. So I'll ask you kindly to see these hedge4.ai official. Come in here and leave your comments or put your questions in there. All right, so follow our journey. The question is, will we make it to our first $1 million? Yes, I'm thinking that yes, on the 8th of March it will happen. All right, and then have a look. That's the target. I want to cash part of it. I want to cash out part of it. All right. So again, the question is how to build your community, just like you saw it. Okay. So go on Telegram. It's one of the best things, and give away airdrops. Okay. Give away part of the tokens. We gave roughly 35 million tokens out of our 1 billion, and we keep on giving away a little more, but after that we will stop it. In a few days we will stop the airdrops. But don't forget, use some bounty campaigns. Go again on Fiverr and write in here on a search bounty campaign or airdrops. People will help you with the airdrops. Okay, don't forget, after that, think again, and you have to deploy these in some of the swaps. So put your coin later. It will take few months, let's say 2 months, 3 months, to build your community, but after that your token should go to either Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So if you have an ERC20, I suggest Uniswap. If you have a BEP20, you go to PancakeSwap, all right? Because it's a Binance Smart Chain type of thing, okay? Another thing, the question is, will we make it? Yes, I'm confident we will make it, because we're not going to stop here. We will create our own DeFi swap, okay? We will create our own yield farming aggregator. Let's say Uniswap. Let's see. sorry. Anyway, you'll find it. Go on Uniswap and find out what's all about. Then again, we will do our own swap similar to Uniswap or the other one, PancakeSwap. All right, we'll do yield farming aggregator. We will buy the codes or we will create our own codes. Okay. Anyway, everything is on GitHub, so it's really easy to copy it and use it. Okay. Then we'll do it our own staking platform. With our coin, we will do staking, we will do yield farming, and not just that, we will create our own exchange, but not just one, we'll make two. We'll do a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, and we will do a CEX, which is centralized one, all right? So remember, we will work hard to take this coin to the moon, but not just that, we'll work hard because the target is to stay in here in this business for more than 5 years, but not just that. Doing this, we wanna list our company in one of the big exchanges like Wall Street, Toronto Stock Exchange, or London Stock Exchange, because our company will grow, and just like other people, we will employ more than 50 people, more than 50 programmers, designers, marketing guys. We will grow our business, we'll make it big. So pay attention and remember, my logic is undeniable. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.